In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and integrate sign-up forms using Mailchimp, a fantastic tool for managing your email marketing needs. Whether you're looking to grow your audience or simply make it easier for users to subscribe to your updates, Mailchimp offers a simple and effective way to set this up. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to go to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. If you're new to Mailchimp, make sure you've set up your account and have your primary audience ready. Logging in takes you to your dashboard where you can access all your marketing tools. Now, once you're logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Audience. This section is where you manage the people who will receive your emails, and today we're going to focus on acquiring new subscribers. In the Audience section, select the list you want to build on, which might be called Audience or whatever you've named it in your account. Next, look for the Sign Up Forms option. Clicking on Sign Up Forms presents you with a couple of choices: embedded forms and pop-up forms. Each serves a different purpose depending on how you prefer to engage your site visitors. Embedded forms are fixed directly into your web page, providing a consistent sign-up option that visitors can see at a glance as they browse. Pop-up forms, on the other hand, will appear as a pop-up window that captures attention instantly, which can be great for immediate engagement. Now that you've chosen the type of form you wish to use, it's time to customize it. Mailchimp allows you to personalize your form fields and design according to your brand's look and feel. You can adjust fields that require information like name, email, or even customize with other specifics you might need. Take the time to ensure the design aligns with your website's aesthetics. This not only reinforces your brand, but also makes your form look polished and inviting. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to get that form out to your audience. If you've selected an embedded form, Mailchimp provides you with a block of code. This is essentially the magic key that lets your form appear on your website. Copy this code and paste it into the HTML of the page where you want the form to appear. If you've opted for a pop-up form instead, you'll need to activate it within Mailchimp, and they'll take care of the rest by providing guidelines to enable the pop-up feature on your site. When everything's set, your form will be live, ready to capture new subscribers and help you grow your audience. By placing the embedded code on your website or enabling the pop-up, you can now effortlessly collect subscribers, turning visitors into engaged followers who are eager to hear from you. That's it for today's guide. With Mailchimp's seamless tools, building your email list has never been easier. Happy subscribing,